Welcome to our Easy Speedbox video. In this video, we will give you a quick tour on how Easy Speedbox is used and how it can benefit your work. Speedbox is used for long-term door speed monitoring on durability fixtures or for closed-loop system control. The sensor technology is based on our Easy Speed product line. Speedbox, just like Easy Speed, measures the speed of the door just before impact using optical sensors. These Easy Speed products have proven technology driving the industry standards and are used as a mobile unit to verify door closing efforts in many plants for 100% inspection. Speedbox makes this technology available for automated testing with new dedicated design and functionality. Most door types can be measured, including rotating design, sliding doors, lift gate, trunk, hood, and any other type. Using electric-powered or manual mechanisms. Optionally, a simple retroreflective strip can be used to get the best performance on frameless systems, seals, or rubber cover frames. A single Easy Speedbox unit can be bolted onto the test stand and maintain a solid mount for long-term velocity checks of the test object. The compact device sits on a quick release, so it can be placed on a fixture in a temporary way for a periodic check. Using this quick release on several fixtures, the device can be taken throughout the test site to perform this periodic validation on all rigs. The device is powered by a standard USB. No battery or other power is required for the operation. Speedbox can be used standalone for a visual inspection as the current value shows on the large screen. In the simple and fast standalone mode, there is no communication or digital logging of the data. Speedbox can be extended with a dedicated software application. The reader software connects to Speedbox, and all data from the sensor will now be saved to the database, which includes the values and timestamp. The data can be made available offline as a record of the test cycles, or in real time for closed-loop control of the actuator or robot. The software offers many customizable features, including communication protocols, graphical output, and reports for quality tracking. At Easy Metrology, we understand each customer can have specific requirements of their application. Easy Metrology will customize the software and communication based on your project requirements. For technical information and to contact us, please visit easymetrology.com. Thank you for watching.